Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix there is a problem with the Windows installer package in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at your keyboard, please press Windows key and R key together so that you'd be able to open the small window called Run. Here you need to tap for temp. Again, tap for temp and then click on OK to proceed. The moment you click on it, you will be redirected here. You just have to select this Windows option here at the upper center of the screen, okay, which is next to your C drive, and here you would be able to see the temp folder. Now here you need to select your temp, do a right click, okay, and this time you need to scroll down and select for properties. So here in this temp properties, you need to proceed to the third option, which is security. And here you will be able to see an option called edit. Just have to click on edit and you need to click on add. Okay. And here in this window called select users or groups, click on advanced, please. Okay. And here you need to click on find now. Now here you need to expand this first and you need to look for everyone. Okay, so I can see it here next to event log readers. Just have to click on OK to proceed, and then click on OK once again. And once it is being set here, once it is being added under group or usernames, just have to mark all of this box check to give permissions for everyone. Okay, then click on apply and then click on yes, and then click on OK. Okay, so once you have the click on it, just have to close this window and then we need to navigate the same process. Okay, so at your keyboard again, please press Windows and R key together. And this time we need to type for temp percentaged. The moment you've typed it, just have to click on OK. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be redirected here. Okay. Here you need to select on local. Okay. You can see it here. And just have to do a right click to the temp file folder. Go with properties. Okay. And this time you need to select again for security and click on edit options. And here you need to click on add. Okay. So select again advanced, click on it and go with find now. And this time you need to search again for everyone. Okay. So I can see it here. Just have to click on it and then click on OK. And then click on OK once again. Okay. So once it is being added in the group or usernames, just have to click on this to give it full control, modify, read and execute, list folder contents, read and write, permission here for everyone. I mean permissions for the snap file folder. Then click on apply and then click on continue. Okay, once it is being done, just have to close this folder window, please. Close this as well. And then you need to try to install again your program or that specific application that you'd like to install with. Okay, so check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.